Hey, my name's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to define your customer avatar, how to find your perfect customer online. Now, if you stick till the end, I've got a very special little present for you, a gift for you for watching this video. Now, I'm going to assume if you're watching a video like this, that you're probably a coach, consultant, an entrepreneur, or a business owner, or someone looking to start a business. Now, if that sounds like you, then this is the right channel for you. So while you're here, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, take that finger out, hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification. I've got new content every single day on growing, scaling and marketing a business. So you're not going to want to miss out on that stuff. Now, I'm James Nicholson and I've been in business now for 17 years. I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur and business owner. And in that time, I figured out something very, very special, which I call the Business Accelerator methodology. Now, that helps me take cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers who buy from me again and again and again. And on this channel, I'm going to share with you how you can do the same and how you can get similar results in your business. Now, how do you define your customer avatar? How do you pick the right people that you want to sell to? Now, this is a very important exercise because so many business owners that I come across, they will sell to anyone with a pulse or a checkbook. Now, initially, when you start business, you might do that. But eventually what will happen is those clients will wear you down. You're going to get exhausted from doing that. And it really doesn't serve you and it doesn't serve them either. So what I want you guys to do is to think about who your perfect customer could be. Now, maybe you're an existing business and this is a little easier. So if you're an existing business, I want you to think of the last 10 customers you had and pick 2 of them that were the best. Now, clearly out of 10, there's definitely going to be 2 that didn't haggle on price, that paid you on time, that were just polite to you, that you just really enjoyed working with, and you could serve them well as well. And so that is who your ideal customer is. It's the 20% of customers that you love working with. And so what I want you to do is to start writing down what's similar about those people. And there's a sheet that I'm going to give you guys on this, a customer avatar checklist that you can work through to get this done. So I'll give you a free copy of this. But first off, you're going to look at things like their gender, their age, their lifestyle, the profession they're in, their income they're in, where do they live in the country, even if they're in London, where do they live, what borough do they live in London, what are their goals, their values, their fears, frustrations and challenges, what do they like and dislike. These are the sort of things that you want to define, right? When you know this stuff, when you really understand who your ideal customer is, you're going to see that they're actually quite similar, that they hang out in the same places, that those are the people that you want to work with. And when we know this stuff, we can plug it in and actually attract them. So what we're going to use this information for is when we write a marketing message, we're going to talk about what those people are like, right? So we're going to talk about them so that when they're reading our marketing, they say, this is definitely speaking to me. But also, not only that, we want to push away the people that we don't want to work with, right? That's really, really important too. So we're going to bring in the people that we want and we're going to repel the people that we don't want. Now, also knowing all about our ideal customer, knowing what they want, all of this stuff and what they're interested in helps us find them online. You see, I like to target business owners, but I also target business owners that have read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad or Think and Grow Rich, right? Maybe you've read those 2 books. And so that helps me knowing that my ideal customer likes that stuff. So when I advertise on Facebook or YouTube, I can actually target people that are interested in that, right? Maybe you want to target affluent people, so you could target people that have read certain magazines, right? Tatler magazine, for example. And by the more information you have, the easier it is to find your ideal customer and push away those that you don't want. Now, look, if you found this video useful, do give it a like. Comment below, let me know who you are. What do you think? What do you do? Even if it's just to say hi or you've got some value. And look, if you want a copy of this avatar checklist, which is bonkers if you don't, go and grab a free copy. I'm going to put a link below where you can just download the PDF straight away. So go and click on that link and grab that. If you didn't earlier, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.